Hello sir, good day. My name is Christian Michael Pinar. I'm Vicente de Dube. And we talk about equilibrium. Equilibrium. When we talk about ship stability. Ship stability refers to the vessel ability to maintain or return an upright position after being subjected to external force, such as waves, wind, or loading ships. It ensures the safety of the ship's crew and cargo by preventing exclusive rolling, pitching, and capsizing. There are three types of ship stability or equilibrium. There are stable equilibrium, neutral equilibrium, and stable equilibrium. There are two types of ships inclination. Hill. Ships incline due to external forces such as waves and wind. And least. Least incline due to external forces such as of external wave. Center unit. Next is we talk about neutral equilibrium. Neutral equilibrium occurs when the ships, after being tied up, the external force remains at the new tied position instead of returning upright, continuing of capsize. This happens when the metacenter and center of the gravity includes meaning of the metacenter height. Next, stable equilibrium. Unstable equilibrium occurs when the ships, after being tied of the external force, continues of the heel further instead of returning of the upright position, increase the risk of capsizing. This happens when the center of the gravity is above the metacenter, resulting negative metacenter height. In the ship stability, there are the three types of equilibrium: stable, neutral, and unstable. Determine how a vessel reacts when the tied. Stable equilibrium ensure the ship returns the upright position, making the safe condition. Neutral equilibrium leaves the ship tight position without returning force, increasing vulnerability. Unable equilibrium cause a further title, leading to the high risk of capsizing. Proper height, distribution, ballast management, and awareness of the free surface effects are the crucial maintaining stability and ensuring maritime safety. Those are three types of equilibrium: